Good morning! So today we're gonna pour some concrete. I've made all the foundation ready, and I've made some reinforcements to put into the concrete. So now I'm just waiting for the truck to come and we can start. So when the foundation is poured, I need to dig out all the dirt in here and put insulation, and then we're gonna make a new concrete floor. And when that's done, I'm gonna cut a hole into this wall so I can make a door. So I think I'm gonna do it in this order, but I'm not quite sure yet. Let's see. Let's start with the concrete and we can take the rest when we're ready for that. Jamen, det er jo bare lige her, og så får vi det rettet her.
Hvor langt skal vi op?
Jamen, vi skal cirka op, sådan der 20 cm op til snoren.
Okay. Så har vi det så også, at vi skal lave om på den anden side.
Ja. Okay, so we got all the concrete down. Now I'm gonna put this white insulation on top, just to protect the concrete from drying out too fast. And if it's gonna rain, it will protect it from the rain. So that's what I'm gonna do now. So I think that's it for today. Now I'm gonna let this dry out for a couple of days, and in the meantime I will drink some beers. See you.